how to remove the over the range microwave oven. First, you unplug the power supply and then remove this duct connection to the microwave oven, and then after that we are going to remove these two screws over here. So I already removed the foil tape of the duct, and I laid a blanket, like a moving blanket, on top of the range, and I use a transmission jack to hold this one down while I'm unscrewing these two screws right here, so that it doesn't just fall on me. Also, when you're trying to remove these microwave oven, you have to remove this and the also the plate that's inside there. As you can see, it's when the screw was removed, both screws on both sides started to sag now, and I have this support here so it doesn't fall all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is slowly lower it down, and then angle this a little bit. Alright, so that's how move the over the stove microwave oven. Thank you for watching.